Hi, a warm welcome to you. In this video, we will see how to prove divisibility a particular number. Okay, this we have done already using mathematical induction earlier. So here we'll be using the binomial expansion. Okay, now let's have a look at this problem. I have to prove 9 to the power of n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64. Now, since we are talking about binomial expansion, so I need to convert this into a plus b whole to the power of n, then I can expand that and see whether this cancels out or not, so that I can get something 64 common outside and say divide it by 64. Let me repeat that. I'll make this as a binomial expansion, then I will see whether I can subtract this and some value whatever I get, that's a multiple of 64 or not. If I am able to do that, I am perfectly fine. We proved that this is divisible by 64. So further, the step 1, what we will do is we'll convert this as 1 plus 8 whole to the power of n plus 1. So now this, so let me write this as 1 plus 8 whole to the power of n. So can I write it as 9? Maybe I should have done here 9 into 9 to the power of n. That should have been easy. So can I say this way? 9 into 1 plus 8 whole to the power of n, that's equal to 9 into nc0, that's nothing but always 1, you know that. nc0, anyway I'll write it as nc0 into 1 to the power of anything is 1 plus nc1 into 1 to the power of n minus 1 into 8 plus nc2 into 8 square plus nc3 into 8 cube. This goes right. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove this whole thing. So let me simplify it one more time. nc0 is 1, nc1 is n, 8 into n is 8n, plus this is 8 square into nc2 plus 8 cube into nc3, go on. So this is what it is simplified to. Now what I have to prove is this minus of 8 and minus 9. So I can go ahead and say 9 into 1 plus 8n plus this whatever I have, that's 8 square n c2 everything minus 8n minus 9, right. So this again I can simplify as 9 plus 72n plus 9 into, you can check here, after this you have 8 cube nc3, that means it's more than 8 square, it's increasing. So I can take 8 square common there and say nc2 plus 8 nc3 plus 8 square nc4 etc minus 8n minus 9. 9 cancels, this becomes 64 into 64 into n plus 64 into 9 into something. So you can see here there is 164, here there is 164, that means this whole thing is divisible by 64. You can do this way, or what you can do is directly you can go for 9 to the power of n plus 1 and you can do that way too, whatever is convenient to you, anything is fine. So what we proved here, now I have 64 here, 64 here. So here I have nc2, I don't want to leave it, so I can say 8 nc3 and all that stuff. Now if I take 64 common, 64 into, there is one n plus 9 into this whole stuff, nc2 into 8 nc3 and all that stuff, but you can see 64 into this whole thing, that means it's divisible by 64. Another way how you can do is, you can directly go, instead of 9 into 1 plus 8 whole to the power of n, you can take directly 9 to the power of n plus 1. That is also fine. You want me to do that way too? Okay, we will do that way too. It takes only a couple of minutes. We can do that, not a problem. Let's do that way too. That's pretty simple. We can finish it in 2 minutes. So let's do another way. Instead of multiplying with 9, let's go for the whole thing. Then it becomes 1 plus 8 whole to the power of n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9. Correct? This is n plus 1 C0 plus n plus 1 C1 into 8 plus n plus 1 C2 into 8 square goes on, this whole thing, minus 8n minus 9. So now I know n plus 1 C0 is nothing but 1, and n plus 1 C by this is nothing but equal to n plus 1 into 8 plus, I can take common from here, so I will take 8 square common, because you see it's increasing, 8 square, 8 cube, and it will go to 8 to the power of n. So this becomes n plus 1 C2 plus n plus 2 C3, sorry, this becomes n plus 1 C2 and n plus 1 C3 into 8 goes on, and minus 8n minus 9. You can check here, 8n plus 8 plus 1, 8n plus 9, so this whole thing cancels. This becomes 64 into something. So you can say that it's divisible by 64. Okay? Thanks for visiting. Bye for now. See you in the next video.